So what was the paradigm and what was happening until now? Until now we had a digital network. For example, we have Facebook, LinkedIn, and all this various stuff. And then we have the physical network, like Open Coffee, like Strategy, like Startup Life Happens, and all these various things that we have. So we think differently, and we say, why not machines with artificial intelligence and a lot of thinking can make this networking more efficient, more effective, and with efficacy. So our idea is very simple. We will have an application in the social media and especially in the professional social network that inputs data from this without consensus and with psychometric test and algorithmic interpretation, he can make us and he can help us actually connect with other people. For example, the simple idea is that we will give the consensus to an application and then he will tell us, look, instead of going all these wonderful things that you are going over coffee or strategy or anything like that, you can actually connect with 1, 2, 3 people and suggest to you that that these 3 people has a lot of common medium and maybe you through the communication you can make your life easier. So this is our idea.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
I just would thought that it goes a step further than your academic background or the experience you already had. And it deals with some qualities each one of us has that we have not even realized ourselves. But through the psychometric test, there will be a profile analysis, and we will be suggested to people that will be thinking and maybe acting in a way that is a good match to us. So we can use this outcome of the research for professional or social or whatever reasons. Okay.
So generally the idea is that maybe there's a better way of socializing and machines and algorithms or psychometric tests can actually help us in that.
Yeah.
What is the next?
Shall we talk about the competition now? Shall we take it first by step? Yeah. Another
Do
thing
you have
about...
a successful example of psychometric matching?
Sorry?
Do you have a successful example of psychometric?
Well, we are planning to use some psychometrics that college or university graduates will suggest to us. Nowadays there is MBTI analysis